This is a tutorial to explain the Petition of Exception process. This form is used to request to the university to change a degree requirement. Most often, this form is used to request a course change on your plan of study that is a different discipline or subject area. For example, if you need to request to change a course from biology to communication, a Petition of Exception form is needed. To access the form, go to oakland.edu/BIS/major standing students. Then click on Course Change Form. You will need to log in with your user ID and password. Next, click on Petition of Exception. In the request area, clearly write your request that includes the course rubric and number, the title of the course, and the credits. For example, add Bio 3400, 4 credits, Genetics, drop Com 3300, 4 credits, Multicultural Communications. This request needs to fit on one line, so shorten the titles as needed. In the rationale area, clearly explain the reason for your request and why the new course is a good choice for you. Next, click on your advisor's name. This form will be routed to your advisor first so that they can review your request and add any comments to your form to support you. Last, click on Submit. Your form will then be reviewed by the Faculty Council Committee during the next meeting, and you will receive notification via email. Some things to consider as you put in your request. Check for any required prerequisites. Check the credit amounts to ensure that they are equal. Check the registration link to see if the class is offered, if possible. If you have any questions, ask your advisor.